Hey guys, today we're gonna look into replacing this leather cover on one of these armrest covers. This is actually from a 8th gen Civic. Few tips targeted to this specific unit right here. There's T15 screws right there. There's two of them, and we have to get this piece separated from this plastic trim, so you can slide the armrest out just like that. And there's T20 screws, there's 4 of them in these locations right there. There's one, and there's one right here as well. Oh, this is the T15, and let's get these 2 bolts out. You're gonna lift on this side like that, and then slide it just like that. Change the bit to T20. There's 2 more screws right there. There's one right here, one on this side. I think we'll have to take these 2 tracks out. The way you can do is those are T15s as well. Then there's an angle right there. Right there. There's one here, one on this side. And if you slide it all the way forward, there's 2 access holes over there. So that's it. So now I can separate the plastic from the leather. The main foam pad is actually this one right here. So I'm just gonna lay the new leather right on top. Here's a little bit of adhesive around the edges where the plastic meets, and use clamps to hold it. Just to have an idea, play around with the orientation, because this, if you look at this, it does have a little bit of a steeper curve right here on this edge than that. Also, when you're lining it up, make sure these stitches are in the correct places. Okay, so I'm going to be using rubber and vinyl 3M spray adhesive for this. Alright, so I've clamped the 2 sides, and just to get an idea of like how much of a stretch do we need to do. And let it sit until it starts a little bit tacky. Take your time and wrap it around. Check out the seam lines. And move it if needed. now we are moving to the last bit. Gotta leave it a little bit longer. I think we're good. Stretch the material, last piece where you want it. There's no it's smooth and just work it around, make sure there's no like bend marks and stuff. There we go. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit and assemble the rest of the pieces together.